Imagine starting a business in 2025 that's not only trending but already proven to make money. Today I'm breaking down 7 powerful business ideas you can start right now. These are fast-growing, low-risk, and built for the future. Let's jump straight in. First up, sustainable packaging. Brands are under huge pressure to go eco-friendly. You can supply reusable bags, biodegradable containers, or even partner with local e-commerce shops. This niche is booming, and small businesses are desperate for affordable solutions. Second, carbon reporting services. Regulations are increasing, but most small businesses can't afford big consultants. If you learn how to measure and report carbon footprints, you can package this as a simple monthly service and charge high margins. Third, print-on-demand clothing. No inventory, no upfront costs. Platforms like Shopify and Printful let you sell t-shirts, hoodies, even mugs. Designed by you, shipped by them. The key? Focus on a niche audience. Anime fans, local slang, or trending TikTok memes. Fourth, online education. The e-learning industry is massive. If you have a skill, finance, design, fitness, even AI tools, you can coach one-on-one or package digital courses. It's low cost, high demand, and globally scalable. Quick pause. 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If these business ideas are helping you, hit that subscribe button and let's reach 100 subscribers together. Don't just watch opportunities, grab them. Fifth, functional beverages like kombucha. Health trends are exploding. You can start small, brewing unique flavors at home and selling at local markets. Add a twist, like collagen or adaptogens, and you've got a viral-ready product. Sixth, pet businesses. From organic treats to eco-friendly shampoos, pet owners spend big on their furry friends. Even pet sitting services with a luxury angle can take off. This industry keeps growing every single year. Seventh, AI tools for small businesses. AI isn't just for big corporations. Create or resell voice-driven tools that help shop owners analyze sales, manage stock, or track expenses. Small businesses want AI, but they need it simplified. That's where you profit. So there you have it. 7 proven business ideas for 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments and make sure to subscribe if you want more strategies that turn ideas into income. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.